Within this course, we've seen how easily we can build out websites using Bootstrap and utilizing all the really cool functionality that comes along with Bootstrap. So bringing this into a project, and it allows you the freedom to create your website just by using your HTML code. So there are a few additional options that I want to still add in. So we've got all of these modals working, we've got our scroll spy working, we've got our animation working, so everything looks to be running properly within the website. So now what we can do is we can bring this out and actually use our source code that we were using within the web page and bring this back out into a CSS file. So previously we've been working within that one page, and I did say that best practices is to create a separate CSS file, so I didn't want to have to flip back and forth, so that's why I was keeping it all within the one place. But now that we've pretty much completed the project, let's create a style sheet. So we're link rel and link out to style sheet, and we'll create a brand new style sheet. So href, and I'm just going to call it style.css, and close that off, create a brand new page, paste that in, and just save this as style. So now we've got the link over to our style sheet, and one problem there that we got to move that head down there, and just do a quick beautify of the code, open up our file once again just to ensure that everything is working properly. And remember, again, I did zoom it in, so typically 100% looks more like this than that really big size that we were just looking at. So we can see that of course there's even more customizations that we can add in, but we've got all of the bare bones functionality that we'd be expecting from a web page, single page web page designed in Bootstrap, and we saw how really easily this can be done utilizing Bootstrap. And getting familiar with Bootstrap is a matter of practice. The more you work with it, the more you realize that all of these built-in classes that are within Bootstrap, you can really bring these into your web projects really easily. And if you're ever looking to find out more about what's available within the classes, it's always worthwhile to take a look through the Bootstrap CSS file, as well as going into the Bootstrap website and getting more familiar with what's available within Bootstrap. So within the documentation, you've also got examples here of how Bootstrap is being utilized and what you can do with Bootstrap. And then of course all the source code is always there ready to go to be brought into any website. And I just want to make another quick note about the footers. So you can actually have a sticky footer with navbar, and there's so much you can really do with your Bootstrap web pages. And if you do need to make some quick customizations, it's as easy as jumping into your HTML, updating a few of the classes, and you can have completely different added functionality from Bootstrap. And also, as you're building out your web projects, try to look at it as a bunch of pieces that you're putting together, and if you've got a bunch of pieces that are similar, use copy and paste, creating out these types of mini templates that you can really easily copy and paste and reproduce multiple times, and then just make some updates within the images here, within the title and the text, to really customize and accommodate those changes that you've made with the templates. I've also included all of the source code that I've been working with within the course so that you too can try it out for yourself and see what you can do with Bootstrap.